Well, look what we have here. This one is a multi-criteria detection smoke and fire alarm. That is right, everybody. This one is an 8th generation alarm, so it means it differentiates between cooking smoke and real smoke. Now, like I said, cooking smoke actually only comes from a stove, and real smoke is actually deadly, so it is highly advisable to at least differentiate between cooking smoke and real smoke. Anyways, this one is a universal sensing plus multi-criteria detection smoke and fire alarm. The way to test it is by pressing this test button, and it'll make 3 beeps. 3, 2, 1. That's right. And this one is universal sensing plus. Now, the same with the fire alarm system, which I'll show you. Same with the fire strobes right here. The smoke alarms can also call in the fire department very quickly without a 911 call as well. Yup. Smoke alarms and fire alarms like this do the exact same thing. Anyways, let's go back. 3, 2, 1. And here it is. This right here is going to be the smoke and fire alarm. That is right. It is named the fire alarm because it also detects ionization fires. Yeah, fast flaming fires. Yup. And this one is a smoke and fire alarm because it's a dual sensor, but it's also an 8th generation alarm. It's designed for kitchens, and it's designed to differentiate between cooking smoke and real smoke. By the way, smoke alarms need to be replaced every 10 years. So if your smoke alarm, if you notice your smoke alarm being like 10 years old or even older than 10 years old, the best time to replace one is now. So go ahead, replace it if it is 10 years old, and like that, we should be able to have enough fire protection. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and have a great day.